Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to make a video today sharing with you two ways on how you can niche down in the back to school niche. And the back to school niche is coming up very shortly here. It's a very big niche. It's going to be jamming. The only problem with the back to school niche is that it's it's very competitive. There's already a ton of niches or designs up, and people pretty much always do the same thing. They just copy what they already see, saying, first day of school, kindergarten squad. You have to differentiate yourself if you're going to go in the back to school niche. And one of the ways that you can do that is by niching down. And so these are the two ways that I recommend that you niche down. And I'm going to show you some examples here right now. So the first way is by using children's names, boys or girls. What you want to do is you want to go to Google and you just want to do a quick Google search for like most popular girls' names for 2022 or most popular boys' names. For this example, I'm going to use girls. And so here you're going to see these are some popular names that parents in the United States are naming their kids. What you want to do is you want to add these names onto your design. All right. So if you're going to do like first day of school for Emma, or kindergarten school or kindergarten squad for Charlotte, things like that. Let me show you some examples here. So if I type in the word Olivia's first day of school, first we're going to see that there's barely any competition, right? So that's a first good sign. And when we scroll down, you're going to see these are the type of designs. Now, these aren't mine, but this is just an example here. So teen first grade Olivia. So this is a really good example right here. And you can totally just, you can just make this design and you can just use Olivia, Emma. You can just add in all different names to really scale it up. And then here's another example right here. I'm Olivia and ready for first grade. You could scale this as well for kindergarten, preschool, first grade, second grade, third grade, all the way to fifth grade. And if we click on this design right here, it's going to take us to the actual page. And I want to show you how this person is scaling it up. So right here, you're going to see when I clicked on this brand name for this t-shirt, you're going to see this person's already scaling it with all the different names. Right, so this is what you want to do. You want to come up with a design like this. You can use, another type of unicorn. You can use a rainbow. If you're going to do it for boys, you can do like a T-Rex. You can do like, crayons, a ruler, apple. Just get any type of back-to-school design, and then you just want to add in the name, right, for the most popular names, boys or girls. Then you could scale it up by using any preschool, kindergarten, first grade. And this is a great way to scale down and actually get eyeballs on your designs, because if you just keep doing what everybody else is doing and you just do like, fifth grade squad or hello first grade or first day of school for preschool, everybody's already done that a million times. So if you just do another one of those, how are you going to stand out? So this is a good way to, like I said, get eyeballs on your niche. And it's by niching down by using children's names, whether it's boys or girls. All right. And then the second way you can do this is by adding in the years. So this school year is going to be 2022, 2023. So you want to add those years on your designs. And let me show you what I'm talking about here. So let me see if I can find it. So was it this one? Oh, no, it's right here. So right here, you're going to see, like, for example, this shirt right here, first day of kindergarten, 2022, 2023. So this is a good example of what I'm talking about. Here they're using a rainbow. Again, you can use, anything that's kid related. So T-Rex, a unicorn. You can do like sunglasses like this. You can make a design like this, kindergarten dude, and you can just add in 2022, 2023 right underneath here. Same thing. You can just basically do any one of these designs and just add in the year or add in the children's name. Right. So those are two ways of how you can, niche down in the back to school niche and actually get people to find your designs. Because if you just keep doing what everybody else is going to be doing, it's going to be very hard to stand out. All right, so I just wanted to share with you that. And then I just want to share with you a couple services that I offer. In my description, you're going to see I have some links to this Etsy, this Fiverr gig where I do a critique of your Etsy shop. So if you have an Etsy shop and you want me to do an audit of it, you can purchase this listing right here. Take a look at the reviews. I also do SEO for Etsy listings. So if you want, I'll revise and optimize your Etsy title and your tags. And then I also have some courses on Skillshare if you're interested. So I have one on Redbubble, Fiverr SEO, Etsy SEO, and selling success on Etsy. So all the links for these courses will be in the description. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing and click the little bell. And thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.